Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I was not planning on doing this at all today. The first 30 minutes was kind of crazy, but after that, things just really tightened up in a range. Didn't really do much. You can see volume pretty much wasn't doing anything. And then all of a sudden, lo and behold, the final 30 minutes occurred. And again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So you can see the final 30 minutes right there. Nice solid green candle, and the volume actually picked up pace. Nothing gigantic, but still quite a bit bigger than what the chart had been seeing. So this brings up a very interesting situation now in terms of, is this the start of something bigger? Well, if it is the start of something bigger, then I'm very curious to see how the price reacts around a certain level, if it can actually get up there. And for you longer time viewers, you've probably heard this level, and it should sound familiar. And this area is right up here at the 5-cent mark, which again, for those of you that are long-term viewers, there was a situation at one point where I talked about this. It seemed like every video, but I want to just quickly take a stroll down memory lane. Why is 5 cents just such kind of a historic level and a level that some people should remember? Well, there is just a whole bunch of history with the price getting right up around that area, sometimes breaking through it, other times not breaking through it, and the price just really struggles with that. Now, am I saying that 5 cents is impossible to break and the bulls can never do it? I'm not saying that at all. Nothing is impossible. Am I saying that apparently, according to the past history of the chart, the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game to not only break above 5 cents, but stay above it? Yeah, absolutely. That's what I'm saying. And, with the nice final 30 minutes here, is 5 cents going to get tested tomorrow? I'm not saying that. But the price keeps on putting in these higher lows, and in the event the price does get up around that 5-cent mark, as history shows, this is definitely a very important level that the bulls are going to have to try to fight through. But a very solid final 30 minutes. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum. And by no means, like I said, does the price have to break above 5 cents tomorrow or anything like that? Well, that seems to be potentially within the crosshairs of the bulls. So let's see if the price can work its way up there or not. And if it does, how does the price react once it gets up there? One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.